Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll be doing the OnePlus Nord charging test while gaming the PUBG game. So let's see friends whether the OnePlus Nord can actually charge very faster while gaming at same time or not. So usually this kind of scenario most of the people they don't use in everyday life, but I just want to test on each and every smartphone which I am having same kind of testing as well. So which I did on the Poco X3 and recently added in my phones as well. So try to check the links in description for more playlist of other smartphones. So more details you will get to know more about the different smartphones as well. So right now the OnePlus Nord has the 4115 mAh of battery capacity, and the fast charging is of 30-watt fast charger. So let me try to show you what is the battery percentage right now. The battery percentage is of 2% as you can clearly see here. So I got the small chart ready as well. So I'll try to charge the phone and I'll try to play the PUBG game at same time in the OnePlus Nord device. And during this time, I'll try to use to the brightness to 50%, not to the 100%. So because you cannot charge and playing the PUBG game at 100% makes the device kind of very heat, and which is not good for the battery. So I'm not gonna risk that kind of thing right now. So that's why I'll be using the 50% brightness only, not with the 100% brightness. So right now let me connect the charger and let me try to start the stopwatch as well. So for every 30 minutes and 1 hour I try to record the video while gaming at same time in this OnePlus Nord device. So it is a PUBG gameplay, and I'll be choosing with the smooth and extreme settings because by default smooth and extreme settings is supported in this phone. So let me try to show you quickly the settings as well. As you can see, smooth and extreme graphics I am trying to use during this time. Let me connect the charger and start the stopwatch at same time. So right now you can clearly see, friends, the charger is connected and the battery is of exactly 1%. So right now it's 2%. I'll start the stopwatch as well. So I'll try to play with the 50% brightness only throughout the time. So again I'll be back after 30 minutes of charging. So let's see in the first 30 minutes how much the phone can actually charge. So normally in the first 30 minutes the phone should be able to charge up to 70% without gaming. So as you can see here, 70% charge in first 30 minutes is possible in the OnePlus Nord without doing any kind of gaming. But while gaming and charging at same time, some of the smartphones which are not so good doing it this kind of thing. So that's why we need to make sure that whether the OnePlus Nord is a kind of fast charging or not while gaming at same time. So let's see friends, in this test you will get to know more details about this OnePlus Nord. So as you can see friends, it's been exactly 1 hour of continuously playing the PUBG game in the OnePlus Nord and charging at same time in this device. As you can see, it is a OnePlus Nord device. And let me show you the battery percentage, how much it is. The battery percentage is close to 54%. As you can see friends, after 1 hour of continuously playing the gameplay. And in the first 30 minutes, the battery charged to 32%. So let me write down the readings. So I think the charging might take a little bit more longer than expected. In the initial time, I did thought that the phone can easily get charged within 1.5 hours. I think now it will take more than 2 hours, I think so. So again, I'll be back after 1 more hour. So let's see whether the phone will be able to charge within this 1 hour mark or not. So finally friends, after 2 hours and 18 minutes, finally the OnePlus Nord got fully charged to the 100%. So while gaming the PUBG game and charging at same time, so this is how much time it took. It did take in the OnePlus Nord device, as you can clearly see here friends. So this is the overall time, 2 hours and 18 minutes. So usually only few phones will be very fast in terms of the charging and playing at same time, but OnePlus Nord did take more than 2 hours. So I don't think this kind of scenario everyone will be using every day. So this can be happening only once in a while. So when you're in a very tough situation that you need to play and charge at same time. So I would not recommend this kind of thing every day as well, because it's not good for the battery for the smartphone. And thank you friends for watching this video. For more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also do check the links in description for more details about what wallpaper I'm using in my video as well. And see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.